The moment that I touched down in Phoenix, Arizona, I was greeted from someone at ATMC, and she could immediately see how anxious I was. And on the van drive to Sedona, she proceeded to give me a packet of supplements that she said would calm me and help my anxiety. I took these kind of reluctantly, but immediately felt just a calmness, and my anxiety went probably from a 10 to a 3, and I just started to feel like that these people were different and they were gonna help me. And I was taught that how important sleep is, especially in detoxing and coming off of medications, and how imperative it is to get good, solid sleep. And if I had trouble sleeping at any given time, I could come out and there was always someone at the desk to give me herbs or supplements to help me sleep. And I learned that there are quite a few supplements that I can take to help get a good, restful night's sleep, and how much that would make my anxiety and depression maintainable during the day. I have dealt with depression and anxiety my whole life, far before I started to have addiction problems. And I learned so much at ATMC about how my mental health has fueled my addictions. And getting my mental state in line is imperative to me maintaining my sobriety and staying clean. I feel like all the tools that I've learned at ATMC have helped me to maintain my sobriety. And if I have had a slip in the past, I know what to do to get back on my feet from everything that I've learned here. I was really surprised and shocked at how much the med spa attributed to getting me off of all of my medications while I was at ATMC. They have an amazing sauna program where you go in the sauna for a couple hours and you're in and out in different 15-minute increments, and using different supplements to help push the toxins and heavy metals and drugs out of your system, and rehydrating your body with minerals and nutrients that it needs to help and assist during the detox process. Using ionic foot baths, glutathione, nebulizer treatments, different massage therapies. I thought that this was going to be a painful process, but it actually was kind of relaxing, and it gave me a lot of time to reflect and heal, and to just focus inwards and really start to heal my body, my mind, and my soul on different levels that I've never done before in my life.